Protecting our loved ones in long-term care facilities. Arizonans 65 and older make up just a quarter of all cases, but account for 75% of our state's deaths. ABC 15's CRENSHAW looking into how residents are being cared for here.
The majority of Maricopa County's COVID-19 deaths, 60%, have come from men and women in long-term care facilities. Our most vulnerable are dying alone in hospitals, hooked up to ventilators. Bill O'Brien and Beverly Schwartz were close friends and neighbors inside Westchester Senior Living's memory care unit.
On occasion, they would see them holding hands.
Both were hospitalized this month after contracting COVID-19 in the lockdown Tempe facility.
But he is still on the ventilator, and it's every day is a scary day.
Shannon PARYS is Bill's daughter.
I've had no communication from anybody at Westchester.
She says since calling the ambulance herself, management hasn't even checked on her dad. She's only heard through old friends about more cases.
There's been several employees that have tested positive.
Westchester's parent company, Volunteers of America, says they're notifying designated caregivers. But at least 2 families and some staff tell me they're not getting updates.
No one is transparent. We're not getting any communication.
Arizona facilities are required to notify families of any COVID-19 cases. Pennington Gardens and Chandler had 16 deaths as of last week. They were emailing all their families daily detailed updates.
And I don't think across the board it's consistent.
Dave Vopel is CEO of the Arizona Healthcare Association. He says this week, new federal rules will dictate how facilities notify loved ones.
You're going to do it this way, and that'll end it.
One of the things that I've heard repeatedly is this idea or concept of different caregivers working at multiple facilities at the same time.
It's very widely known. It's done quite a bit.
Registry caregivers that are floating all over the valley at many different assisted living places, so that's not good either.
It's unclear how Bill and Beverly contracted the virus.
It should have been prevented.
Last Sunday, Bill turned 75.
Put the phone up and wish him a happy birthday.
A day later, he got an antibody plasma transfusion.
That has helped him turn a corner as well.
Beverly, though, never recovered. Thursday, she passed away in the ICU.
She spent her adult life working in early childhood development.
The former preschool teacher's 85th birthday is May 4th. Instead of celebrating, her family will lay flowers at her grave. Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.